Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're looking for a top-tier travel scooter without the brand new price tag, today's spotlight is for you. We're reviewing the Buzzaround CarryOn HD 4-wheel, and this one is pre-owned and ready to roll. The Buzzaround CarryOn is famous for its ultimate portability. With a simple one-hand operation, this scooter quickly folds down to the size of a carry-on bag, hence the name. It's compact and light enough for easy transport, and it's perfect for fitting into tight spaces, whether you're loading it into your car or storing it at home. Now, don't let the lightweight part fool you. This is the HD, or heavy-duty model, meaning it supports a higher weight capacity while still maintaining that light frame. Paired with its stable 4-wheel configuration, you get excellent balance and peace of mind. It's the rugged dependability you need packaged in a travel-ready design. So, why consider a pre-owned model? Simply put, value. This unit has been professionally inspected, cleaned, and certified to meet the highest standards. You get all the revolutionary features, the folding, the HD stability, and famous Buzzaround reliability, but at a fraction of the original cost. It's an unbeatable way to access premium mobility without breaking the budget. So if you're ready to travel with confidence and save money doing it, the pre-owned Buzzaround CarryOn HD is calling your name. Check the description below for links and more information. Like the video if you value a great deal, subscribe for more scooter reviews, and let us know what you think about the CarryOn in the comments. Thanks for watching.